the best solution for machining in indexable end milling areas. PC 2005 is for machining high-hardness workpieces. The new KORLOY Grade 2005 has a high-hardness base and an ultra-thin coating layer of hardness 50 GPa, which as a whole lead to the most impactful abrasion resistance. PC 2010 is for machining high-hardness pre-hardened steel, an ultra-fine and high-toughness base, and a super-thin developed film thermal barrier with improved coating technology inhibit the formation of thermal cracks and micro-fissuring. These add stability to the base insert for an optimal result when wet machining pre-hardened materials. PC 2015 for machining carbon steel and cast iron uses an ultra-fine high-toughness base and a high-toughness thin film lubrication to inhibit deposition to large workpieces for stable abrasion resistance. New chip breaker for pre-hardened steel, KH, uses a stable center shape for easy chip disposal, a sharp rake angle, and stiffness reinforcing relief angle for a stabilized and uniform surface roughness of the workpiece. KH also protects the cutting edge of the tool from strong shock resulting from machining pre-hardened steel. The carbon steel chip breaker, KF, reduces cutting resistance and chip disposability during machining of workpieces with high adhesion by using a sharp shape in the central part and an optimal rake angle and relief angle to improve machinability and abrasion resistance. KF is a sharp chip breaker with outstanding surface roughness reduction qualities and excellent abrasion resistance for a superb machinability rate. KF will satisfy you in machining workpieces with normally high adhesion concerns. PC 2005 KH has both the quality of excellent abrasion resistance, sharpness, and cutting edge of CB, suitable for heat-treated steel and hardened steel machining. PC 2010 KH has both the quality of excellent thermal shock resistance, similar to CV, and also sharper cutting edges. KH is best suited to pre-hardened steel machining. PC 2015 KF has both the quality of excellent welding resistance and stiffness, as well as the sharpness of CB. It is suitable for medium to hard carbon steel by C machining. When machining SKD11 heat-treated steel, use the KH chip breaker with PC 2005 to improve machining time by 30% as compared to other manufacturers. When machining pre-hardened steel, KP4M, use the KH chip breaker with PC 2010 to improve the machining time by 25% per edge as compared to the competition. When machining forged SM53C steel, use the KF chip breaker with PC 2015 to improve cycle time by 50% per each corner compared to other manufacturers. The best solution for machining in indexable end milling areas. KORLOY.